Hi everybody, Jeff at Cuttermasters here. Today we're going to try the new Countersink cams fit on the CM06. This is a new product, kind of experimental at the moment. With the 3-flute cam, we set the motor down to about 7 degrees and then check the cam, time it so that the heel of the flute is past what would be the high spot on the cam here. So in this particular case, we want to just adjust it like that. And you can time it once you see. Just make sure you're not starting this edge too early. The tip of the tool wants to start before the flute does. Turn the motor on. Move the wheel away. Wheel running down into the tool. Bring it in until we touch. Another 3,000 or so. We're running about 500 RPM, which is plenty fast. Nothing gets hot. Take some more. And that's pretty much it.